Hello, Janani madam. Happy birthday to you.
చెక్ చేయనప్పుడు నేను పే చేస్తా చెక్ చేయనప్పుడు నేను కార్డు ఇస్తాను
Hi.
42 kilometers.
Happy birthday, Janani Bahini. வாழ்க வளமுடன். வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Application form again on time. Parents are applying. Calling the help desk and telling them that we paid 1 rupee for application. I'm trying to call Abhishek. I'm trying to.
Okay, all the devotees welcome, and we are celebrating ma'am's birthday today. So we are having a small little showcase for her, and my girls Shloka, Varsha, and Bhakti will take over. So go on to you girls. Start. அவங்க மட்டும் அனுப்புங்க.
Hare Krishna. Shloka this side. Firstly, apologies to all. By mistake, any video is not included while putting all together the feelings of our devotees. And now a big thank you and pranamam to all the devotees who have put their blessings together as one family for Janani Didi. Our girl squad, Varsha, Bhakti, and Nupur Bhagini put heads together to make a successful video. Now we'll start with games. The first game is, you will have to say 10 names of Janani Didi, 10 similar words.
Whoever likes, please raise your hand.
Shloka, do we have to unmute everyone or how is it?
Yeah, ma'am, you have to unmute.
Once again, all of you are muted. Just unmute yourself.
Uma ma'am will say. Yeah, Uma ma'am, you have 10 seconds to say Varsha.
Janani
No. Stop. You have to say 10 similar words. Like Janani means mom. Like
Janani means earth, Bhumi.
No, Bhagini, actually we have to say similar words. Like Janani means mom.
Shall I tell? Shall I tell Shloka?
Please raise the hand.
We'll go in
The participant option.
Uma ma'am, you don't like to do?
No, I don't know. Immediately 10 seconds.
Okay. Just a minute. First we'll start with Alka.
Dhara, Janani, Dhara, Dharti Bhumi. This is also Janani, na?
Stop, ma'am, stop. I will set the timer. As soon as you hear something, you have to stop. You have to say at least 10 names in 10 seconds. Okay? And Varsha,
Not
we will decide. Ready? Should I start?
yeah.
1, 2, 3. Go.
Dhara, Bhumi, Dharti, Ma, I know only this. 5.
Okay, time is up. 5. Okay, so Varsha, decide. Okay, and don't tell now. It is a surprise. Preeti ma'am, please mute yourself.
Next, whoever likes to say?
Janani, Shloka,
Yeah, Bhagini.
Janani means Ma.
Okay. Bhakti will start the time. Bhagini, Bhakti will start the time and then you can start.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ma. Ma ye. Janani means Ma. What do you want? Paryayavachi.
No. हाँ, correct. पर्यायवाची.
जन्म देने वाली. भूमि.
Ma'am, time is already up.
Okay.
Who else like to say? Neelam ma'am, huh?
Mata, Dharti, Pruthha.
Stop. I have to start the timer before that.
Matru.
No.
Okay,
1 minute.
We will say name one by one. Please don't do promotion. Yeah. Neelam ma'am, I will say 3 and you can start. Okay? 1, 2, 3.
Dhara, Dharti, Prithvi, Amba, Matru, Mata, I.
Okay.
7 words.
Names, she said.
7 words.
Okay, 7.
Sorry. Yeah. Next, anybody likes to say?
Maya.
Maya.
Okay. Jayashree Bhagini.
Janani, Amma, Amba, Mata, Dharti, Ai, Matru, Mom, okay, Mother, Maya, then one more.
Time up.
Okay.
Very nice. Video. Yeah, your video is off. Please on your video.
Neeti ma'am likes to say.
Yes.
So I will say 3 and you can start. 1, 2, 3.
Ma, Dhara, Mata, Maya, Ai, Bhumi, Janani, Dharti, Ma, Matra.
Done.
Well, done.
9 names. She said.
Okay.
Anybody else?
Now everybody copy. But second game now.
Okay. Second game is 10 names of Ganesh ji.
Vinayaka, Pullaya.
Then first,
Repeat the question, Shloka.
Yeah, Bhagini.
Please repeat the question.
10 names of Ganesh ji. Ganpati. Jayashree Bhagini.
Okay. Ganesh, Ganapati, Heramba, Vakratunda, Pillayar, Shurpakarna, then
Time up.
did I say Pillayar?
Time up.
Time up. Okay.
Usha Bhagini.
Can start.
Vinayaka, Vignaraja, Ganapati, Ganesha, Gauriputra, Dundi Ganapati, Bhakti Ganapati, Shakti Ganapati, Vakra Ganapati.
Time up.
Thank you.
Okay. Devika Bhagini.
Vinayaka, Pillayar, Ganapati, Vakradunda, Moshiyavahana, Mahaganapati. Okay.
Time up.
Okay.
Jnanada. Next is
Jnanada. Gauri Putra. Krishna Pingaksha. Vinayak.
time up.
Time up.
Time up. Oh my God.
Can I say?
Yeah.
गौरीपुत्र विनायक एकदंत कृष्ण पिंगाक्ष गजवक्त्र लंबोदर विघ्न राजेंद्र धूम्रवर्ण भालचंद्र गणपती.
All 10 names. Done.
Done, Bhagini.
In the time limit, you said 10 names.
धन्यवाद.
Okay, thank you.
Shloka, now next game.
Next game, Varsha will say.
And 2 games are only there, no?
Yeah, okay. We will be announcing winners later.
Yes.
Shloka, which is the third game?
Third game is 10 names of Krishna.
Yeah. Okay.
One request, please. We can't see Janni ma'am properly. Please.
So third game is of 10 names of Krishna. Whoever likes reason.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Devika ma'am.
Then first, Mokshada Bhagini.
Devika ma'am.
Hello. Yes, ma.
Yeah. You like to say 10 names?
What is the question, ma?
10 names
10
of
names of Krishna.
10 names of Krishna.
Hello.
10 names of Krishna.
Huh?
10
names of Krishna.
10 names of Krishna. Krishna, Kanna, Nandagopala, Nandakumara, Govinda, Vasudeva, Vasudeva.
Time up. Time up.
No.
in the order. We'll go in the raise hand order.
Yeah. Then Uma Patil Bhagini. Uma Patil Bhagini. Then Anita Ashok Bhagini.
Hello.
Sorry.
Yes.
Aprameya, Krishna, Murali, Neelamega, Devaki Putra, Nandagopala, Vasudeva. That's all.
No, she didn't say that.
Okay, Varsha, what to do next?
Then Usha Bhagini. Then of Krishna.
Krishna, Govinda, Madhusudana, Narayana, Trivikrama, Vasudeva, Nandakumara, Navadita Krishna, Navadita Chora, Balakumara. Bala.
Alka Bansal.
Krishna, Kana, Nandkishore, Devki Nandan, Makhan Chor, Madan Mohan, Murlidhar, Girdhari, Dwarikadhish, Gudakesh.
10 names.
Hey, I will tell. Shall I tell?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Start.
Bhagini, you can start.
Can I say? Can I say?
Yeah, start.
Krishna, Mukunda, Govinda, Madhava, Madhusudana, Keshava, Ananta, Narayana, Vasudeva, Sankarshan.
Can I also say?
Yeah, okay.
Can I say, Varsha?
See.
Okay. Janardana, Kannaya, Krishna, Mukunda, Vittala, Gopala, Keshava, Madhava, Trivikrama, Narayana, Govinda.
Can I say?
Can
I say?
Okay, then we will
Just a minute.
Can I say?
Shloka, now tell them don't repeat the names already named.
Okay, next one is going to be tough. Don't repeat. Repetition is not allowed. Like Madhusudana and all.
Can I say?
Who?
Arshaprada.
Okay.
Start.
Chakradhari, Shyama, Madhava, Murari, Asurari, Banavari, Mukunda, Yogeshwara, Gopesha, Hari, Madhana, Manohara, Mohana, Jagadeshi, Palana, Hari, Kamsari, Rukmini, Vallabha.
13 words. 13 words.
Yes.
Who was that?
Harshaprada. Okay, then done. Yeah.
I will tell Varsha.
Okay, Madhya.
Okay, Mahodaya.
Keshava, Narayana, Madhava, Govinda, Vishnu, Musuna, Trikrama, Vamana, Sridhara, Rishikesha, Padmanabha, Damodara.
That is the benefit of telling Sandhya Vandanam. Very nice.
Only in 8 seconds done.
11. Okay.
Okay, Harshpada is the winner.
On phone and the name.
Okay, now what is the next?
Bhagini, next is the that presentation by Bhakti. Then Shloka, start.
So here is the presentation shared by Bhakti.
Now you can mute. Once again. Yeah. You want to say
Very happy birthday, Janani Bhagini. You've been extremely great teacher. I'm very happy that I could attend your Bhagavad Gita Parayanam classes and learn the pronunciation rules under your excellent teaching, excellent diction, and very good environment that you created, and the many chances that you gave for improvement, for making us improve in our pronunciation and correcting us and doing everything to improve our chanting and thereby making a better person of us. Because the Bhagavad Gita teaches us not only the pronunciation, it in the background it improves us also. So that way you have done an excellent job to many devotees. I'm sure this will have definite, you will get definitely Sri Krishna's blessings, and your career, future career will be excellent, and no doubt about it. I wish you the very best on your birthday, and continue to be a admirer of your qualities and your teaching. I will ever remember your teaching. धन्यवादः. जन्मदिनस्य शुभाशयाः. Have a very great time with your family members. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday, Janani. Many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you. I wish you all your success in your future.
Janani, we both bless you success in all walks of your life. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Janani Bhagini. God bless you. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಸೆ ಕನಸುಗಳು ದೇವರು ನೆರವೇರಿಸಲಿ. ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ.
Many happy returns of the day, Janani Bhagini. Rejoice. It's your best Guru, Janani Bhagini's birthday. Anyone who is lucky enough to have such an impactful person in their life knows that this momentous occasion is also a reason for you to celebrate, because they are the ones who help us through the biggest hurdles. It's you, Janani Bhagini, introduced us to Bhagavad Gita to chant clearly and efficiently. No words can tell how fortunate we all were. God bless you, and Krishna, let him shower all his smile upon you so that your life be a successful one. You stay blessed and walk happily in your life. Love and lots of blessings. Jai Shri Ram Krishna. Dhanyavadaha.
Dear Janani Sri Beta, my youngest guru, my youngest teacher, today is your special day, and I want to take this opportunity to express my gratitude and respect for you and some my feelings to share with you. You are much younger than most of your students, but your knowledge of Bhagavad Gita is unmatched. You are so simple, patient and caring, and the way you teach us is unbelievable. You are God gifted to have such immense knowledge, and you are making the optimum use of the same to impart this wealth to others. You are one of the reasons to transferring the life of your students, and more knowledge. You are giving more and more knowledge to us. May God bless you with health, wealth and happiness in your life. God is always with you. God will always help you. And God is always giving you more and more knowledge. And happy birthday to you, beta, again. And wish you many happy returns of the day. And God will always with you. And best of luck for the final exams. Thank you, beta. Thank you.
ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः. श्रीमद् भगवद गीता सर्ववेद ग्रंथांची जननी मोक्षमिळे गीता ऐकोनी बोलूनी श्रवण मनन करूनी महाभारत युद्ध संग्रामी कुरुक्षेत्री रणांगणी साक्षात श्री भगवान श्री कृष्ण विश्वरूप दर्शन देऊनी स्वयं मुखे अर्जुनासी सांगती. आम्हा सर्व साधकांचे परम भाग्य थोर आहे म्हणून नित्य नेमी आम्हा भगवत गीता शिकवी जननी श्री भगिनी. प्रत्येक एकादशी दिनी पारायण बदलून येई श्री भगिनी. अशी थोर आहे आमचे गुरुमाऊली जननी श्री भगिनी. वयाने लहान पण कीर्तीने असे महान गुरु माऊली जननी श्री भगिनी श्रीमद भगवद्गीतेवर तिचे प्रेम भारी ओघावती तिची रसाळ वाणी श्लोक स्वर निगती गळ्यामधुनी तिच्या जणू वाटे श्रीकृष्ण वाजवे बासुरी ऐकोनी सर्व साधक जनांचे तृप्त होती कान अमृत रसपान करुनी आज 25 नोव्हेंबर वार आहे गुरुवार श्री गुरु दत्तात्रेयांचा मणिकांचन योग साधूनी आला गुरु पुष्यमृत नक्षत्राचा अशा पवित्र मंगल दिनी जन्मदिवस आहे श्री भगिनी गुरुमाऊलीचा शतायुषी भव कीर्तिमान भव ऐश्वर्यमान भव आयुष्यमान भव आशीर्वादांचा वर्षाव करीतो मी अभिष्ट चिंतनाचा श्रीमद भगवद्गीता शिकवणी जननी श्री भगिनीने आम्हा सर्वा दिले कुबेराचा ठेवा हे परमात्मा श्री कृष्ण भगवान देवा आमच्या जननी श्री भगिनीस सदैव सुखी ठेवा जन्मदिवसाच्या खूप 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 सस्नेह हार्दिक शुभेच्छा जननी श्री गुरुमाऊली भगुनी शुभम भवतु धन्यवाद
வாழ்க வளமுடன் நீண்ட நீண்ட காலம் நீடு வாழ வேண்டும் வானம் பூமியாவும் வாழ்த்து பாட வேண்டும் 8 திக்கும் புகழ வேண்டும் எடுத்துக்காட்டு ஆக வேண்டும் உலகம் பார்க்க உனது பெயரை நிலவு தாளில் எழுத வேண்டும் சக்கரை தமிழள்ளி தாலாட்டு நான் சொல்லி வாழ்த்துகிறேன் பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் தந்தையாம் கார்த்திக்கும் அன்னையாம் காமாட்சிக்கும் பிறந்த குட்டி ஜனனி நீ வாழ்க வளமுடன் 16 பெற்று பெருவாள் வாழ்க என்று வாழ்த்தும் அன்பு உள்ளங்கள் ராணிக்கண்ணன்
बार बार दिन ये आए बार बार दिल ये गाए तुम जियो हजारों साल यही मेरी आरज़ू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर जननी दीदी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जन्मदिनस्य शुभाशयाः जननी दीदी You are a very nice teacher. You teach very well. What you teach, we are able to understand that all. You are a very good teacher. Thank you for teaching us. Happy birthday. This is your day. Enjoy it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Janani Didi. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Janani Shri, you are very humble, a great teacher and a great instructor. You could teach Bhagavad Gita to all levels and you have achieved such a strong devotion, concentration. Others, we are very grateful to you for having taught us Bhagavad Gita chanting. God bless you. Have a happy birthday and have a happy future. And I wish you all the best in your future life.
Hello Janani Shri. Very very happy birthday. நீங்கள் எங்களுக்கு குருவாக பகவத்கீதாவை கற்றுத்தந்து எங்களை இந்தளவு வழிநடத்தி கொண்டு வந்ததற்கு மிக மிக நன்றி. எங்களுக்கு குருவாக இருந்தாலும் வயதின் காரணத்தால் நான் உங்களை வாழ்த்துகிறேன். என்னோட இந்த ஸ்லோகம் வந்து ரொம்ப ஃபேவரட் எனக்கு. ஈவன் தோ இது ரெப்படிஷனாக இருந்தாலும் வந்து இந்த ஸ்லோகத்தால் வாழ்த்தணும்னு எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஆசையாக இருந்தது. அதனால தான் ரெப்படிஷனாக இருந்தாலும் என்னோடய ஃபேவரட் ஸ்லோகா ஆன் காடஸ் இஸ் அபிராமி ஐ எம் ரிசைட்டிங். ஓகே. கலையாத கல்வியும் குறையாத வயதும் கபடுவாராத நட்பும் கன்றாத வளமையும் குன்றாத இளமையும் கழிப்பினில்லாத உடலும் சலியாத மனமும் அன்பகலாத கணவனும் தவறாத சந்தானமும் தாழாத கீர்த்தியும் மாறாத வார்த்தையும் தடைகள் வாராத கொடையும் தொலையாத நிதியமும் கோணாத கோணும் ஒரு துன்பமில்லாத வாழ்வும் துய்யனின் பாதத்தின் அன்பும் உதவி பெரிய தொண்டரோடு கூட்டு கண்டாய் அலையாழி அரிய துயில் கொள் மாயனது தங்கையே ஆதி கடவுரின் வாழ்வே அமுதீசர் ஒரு பாகம் அகலாத சுகபாணி அருள்வாமி அபிராமியே. அந்த அபிராமி அன்னை உனக்கு எல்லா வரங்களையும் தன்று நீ நன்றாக இருக்க என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஐ bless you to achieve all your full ambitions in your life, Janani. God bless you. Already you are having lot of Krishna's blessings. Okay. Thank you, Ma.
Hello, Janani ji. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Our blessings and best wishes for your future endeavors and a long life. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Janani Sri. Wish you many more happy returns of the day. Thank you. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Happy birthday, dear Janani Shri. Stay blessed. No words to express my feelings. A wonderful teacher who made me to chant Bhagavad Gita. Lord Krishna will definitely bless you and your family. Wishing you to have a great future ahead. Once again, a very good happy birthday to my dear granddaughter Janani Shri. Enjoy your day.
Everybody is like, you are the daughter for everyone.
Wish you a fulfilling life and many more years of joy with happiness and success. As to spread your knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. You are like my elder sister. Good wishes from Shloka.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Janani. May Lord Krishna bless you always as ever. I'm very happy that we are able to wish you today because of the association in the last 1 year. That's a great thing. We have really we are blessed to wish you. That's what I can tell you. I'm very happy that we got such a nice guru and wish you all the best for your future. Thank you.
Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. You are a favorite guru of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. You are young and humble and talented, inspiring and encouraging, young and old alike, to recite Srimad Bhagavad Gita. You are a favorite guru of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Shubha Janmadinam Tobhyam, Shubha Janmadinam Tobhyam, Shubha Janmadine Tavahe, Sakalam Madhuram Bhuyat, Sakalam Safalam Bhuyat, Sakalam Cha Shubham Bhuyat. Have a nice day, Janani Shri, with your near and dear ones. May God continue to shower you with choicest blessings. Thank you.
Dear Janani, many more happy returns of the day. God bless you and your family with good health and wealth and all your dreams come true. Janani, you are such a wonderful person, God's gifted child for all of us. You admitted the children from 10 years to 60 years in your class. All are from different places and languages, but still you tied us like a garland through Bhagavad Gita to Lord Krishna. Children at your age will say that we'll go out and play or go out for a movie or enjoy like that, but you are mature than us. We became children to you in the class. Usually students will skip the classes because of the strictness, but you are a sweet teacher that you made us to sit and learn from you for the past 10 months because of your qualities. Though we made lot of mistakes, without hurting us, with sweet, humble words, you corrected us. You also motivated us in learning Bhagavad Gita. Our wholehearted Shatakoti Pranam to your parents and grandparents for giving birth to, like, this is like a Purva Janma Sukrutam, we can say, for them. A lot to say, but there are many devotees are waiting, carrying with their wishes to shower on you. And this is a gift. This gift is a small token of love which cannot value your service without any expectation. And thank you for giving this opportunity to wish you. God bless you, child.
Namaste Janani Shri. Wish you a very very happy birthday Bhagini. Have a lovely day. Enjoy with your family and friends. You have made my dream come true by teaching Bhagavad Gita. At such a young age, you are teaching Bhagavad Gita to so many people. It's really a great devotion to Lord Krishna. May Lord Krishna always take care of you and bless you and your family with happiness always. My heartfelt thanks to you, Bhagini, for teaching us Bhagavad Gita. Thank you so much and have a good day, Bhagini. Have a great year ahead. Dhanyavadaha.
Happy birthday, Janani Didi. I miss you a lot. We used to have the classes at 3 p.m. but due to the increased number of devotees, we are not able to have for the previous devotees. So I really miss you a lot. Again, a very happy birthday. Enjoy it and again, very happy birthday.
Hi Janani, I am Kailas. Happy birthday to you. I have been learning Bhagavad Gita chanting from you for the past 1 year and my chanting has improved a lot. Thanks to you and thanks for teaching all of us. You are very talented. God bless you.
Happy birthday, dear Janani. Don't ever change. Stay as amazing as you are. Wishing you all the success in life in whatever you do. And have a great day. And happy birthday, dear Janani.
Happy birthday, Janani. The knowledge of Bhagavad Gita you have shared with us is making our lives better. I wish that you keep sharing the ray of hope and guiding lessons to make people wiser and happier. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Janani Shri. You have given me a great knowledge and I have really no words to thank you. Krishna's blessings are in abundance with you and your family. Wishing you all the best of everything in life. Once again wishing you many more happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful day.
शुभजन्मदिनं तुभ्यं शुभजन्मदिनं तुभ्यं शुभजन्मदिने तव हे सकलं मधुरं भूयात् शुभजन्मदिनं तुभ्यं शुभजन्मदिनं तुभ्यं शुभजन्मदिने तव हे सकलं सफलं भूयात् सकलं च शुभं भूयात् जन्मदिनस्य शुभाशयाः जननी मैम.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Janani Shri. Wishing you a fabulous birthday and many more to follow. Have a wonderful day. You are the best teacher, mentor and guru I had the opportunity to learn from. I feel very blessed and lucky to have learned Bhagavad Gita from you. Wishing you lots of joy, happiness and success in all your future ventures. Have a fabulous day and a great year ahead. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Janani Shri. வாழிய 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 வாழியவே ஆஹா ஓஹோ வாழ்க பல்லாண்டு வாழியவே வாழிய 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 வாழியவே ஜனனி ஸ்ரீ வாழ்க பல்லாண்டு வாழியவே குதித்தோடும் ஜீவநதி போல வாழியவே ஜனனி ஸ்ரீ குதித்தோடும் ஜீவநதி போல வாழியவே துள்ளி குதித்தோடும் ஜீவநதி போல வாழியவே வாழிய 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 வாழியவே ஆஹா ஓஹோ வாழ்க பல்லாண்டு வாழியவே வாழ்க பல்லாண்டு வாழியவே. Happy birthday Janani. May God bless you with all prosperity, all happiness in this world, and may all your dreams come true. Many more happy returns of the day. Enjoy this day, Kanna. Thank you so much.
Hi Janani Bagni, happy birthday to you. May Lord Krishna will always bless you with health, wealth and happiness. You are the best and wonderful teacher that I have come across. Thank you so much, Ma.
Hi Janani, wish you a very happy birthday. May Krishna's blessings always be with you. Have a nice day. Enjoy your birthday with your family and friends.
Hello Janani, many happy returns of the day. I always feel you are a gifted child to your parents and you have a gift from Lord Krishna. Stay blessed always. We wish you once again happy returns of the day.
जन्मदिनस्य शुभाशयाः जननि भगिनी.
Happy birthday Janani Shri. Wish you achieve great success in all your future endeavors. I am extremely fortunate to learn the Bhagavad Gita from you. Lots of love and blessings to you. Have a fabulous birthday today. Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day, Janani Shri. Wish you a beautiful life full of joy and happiness. May Lord Krishna's choicest blessings be showered on you and may all your dreams come true. Happy birthday. Have a wonderful day.
ஜனனி பகினி பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள். சிரஞ்சீவ 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 சுகி பவ. சதம் ஜீவ சதம் ஜீவ சதம் ஜீவ சுகி பவ. வித்யா வினயதீபிஹி விநாயகோ ரக்ஷது. ஞான தான தன தீபிஹி சதாசிவோ ரக்ஷது. பகவத்கீதா கற்றுக்கணுங்கிறது என்னோட ரொம்ப நாள் ஆசை. அதை உங்ககிட்ட கற்றுக்கிட்டதில் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். நீங்கள் இதே மாதிரி எப்போவும் ஹம்பிளாக இருக்கணும். நிறைய பேருக்கு பகவத்கீதா சொல்லிக் கொடுக்கணும். ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட் ஃபார் யுவர் ஃபியூச்சர். மெனி மோர் ஹாப்பி ரிட்டர்ன்ஸ் ஆஃப் த டே பகினி. தேங்க்யூ.
Wish you many happy returns of the day Janani ma'am. Thanks a lot. आपने सबको गीता सिखाया. मैं आपके लिए एक जन्मदिन का संस्कृत में सॉन्ग बोलना चाहती हूँ. जन्मदिनमिदम् अय प्रिय सखे. जन्मदिनमिदम् अय प्रिय सखे. शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम्. शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम्. प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी. प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी. ईश्वर सदा त्वां रक्षतु. ईश्वर सदा त्वां रक्षतु. पुण्यकर्मणां कीर्तिमज्जय. पुण्यकर्मणां कीर्तिमज्जय. जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं. जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं. Once again, happy birthday Janani ma'am. Thank you so much.
Namo Namaha. Happy birthday Janani Didi. I learned chanting Bhagavad Gita because I like the way you teach. You are the best teacher I ever had. Happy birthday once again.
Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, the Janani Shri. May God shower on you with all the happiness and whatever you want in your life. Once again, many, many, many happy returns of the day. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Wish you a very happy birthday, Janishri. You are a very nice Guru. Lord Krishna bless you always. Wish you a very happy birthday. जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. धन्यवाद.
ഒരു ദൈവം തந்த പൂവേ കണ്ണിൽ തേടൽ എന്ന തായേ ഒരു ദൈവം തந்த പൂവേ കണ്ണിൽ തേടൽ എന്ന തായേ ആയുവടികിനതി നീ നീടേ ആയുവടികിനതി നീ നീടേ വാനം முடியுமிதம் நீதானே காற்றை போல நீ வந்தாயே சுவாசமாக நீ நின்றாயே மார்பில் ஊரமுயிரே ஒரு தெய்வம் தந்த பூவே ஏ தேவி வரமுனிவோ.
Jenny Bagni. So, as the song goes, it is a national award winning song from Kanattal Muttamital. So, I really love this song, and it says that, I don't know who, like, what blessing is it from Goddess Devi. So, you are that blessing, not only for your parents, but for all of happy birthday. So this is how I wanted to wish you by singing that special song.
जन्मदिवस्य शुभाशयाः जननी भगिनी. Wish you many many happy returns of the day. Jagadguru Shri Krishna bless you with lots of good health, wealth, happiness, love, peace, calm. May you keep twinkling like the Dhruva star and radiate devotion towards chanting of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Keep inspiring everyone to chant Bhagavad Gita, learn, understand Shri Krishna and his teachings. All the very best, Bhagini, for all your future endeavors.
जन्मदिनस्य हार्दा शुभाशयाः जननी दीदी. Wish you many happy returns of the day.
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूः मा ते सङ्कोऽस्तकर्मणि. The essence of Bhagavad Gita is selflessness. The patience and the presence of humility. Give the knowledge what one has gained through experience and various gurus in life and without greed for fruits. So these lines, Karmanye Vadikaraste, fits our Janani Shri. Janani, you are the light in our lives. You are the light in our lives. You showed us how to be stubborn adhyapika for notorious students who would make you repeat and repeat the same word, and you were never out of patience. Hats off to Kamakshi ma'am and your entire family and your humble background who inculcated the divine culture in you. Jandinam Tubhyam जन्मदिनं तुभ्यं जन्मदिनं जननी श्री सफलं च शुभं भूयात् सफलं च शुभं भूयात् जन्मदिनं continues and you cherish these memories forever. Dandavat Pranamam.
Namaskaram to all the beautiful and dear devotees. Here I would like to introduce you to lovely and chirpy girls. They have put a great effort to sing the birthday song in ma'am's language, that is Tamil. Please applaud for them for their love for ma'am. So the girls Shloka, Varsha and Bhakti and enjoy and have lots of fun. Thank you.
Lalu 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 la la lalu 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 la 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 lalu lalu la la நீண்ட நீண்ட காலம் நீண்ட வான வேண்டும் வான நீண்ட தூரம் நீ வளர வாழ வேண்டும் நீண்ட நீண்ட காலம் நீ நீட வாழ வேண்டும் வான நீண்ட தூரம் நீ வளர வாழ வேண்டும் அன்ப வேண்டும் அறிவ வேண்டும் பருவ வேண்டும் பரிவ வேண்டும் அன்ப வேண்டும் அறிவ வேண்டும் பண்ப வேண்டும் பரிவ வேண்டும் இட்டு திக்கம் புகழ வேண்டும் எடுத்து காட்டு ஆக வேண்டும் இட்டு திக்கம் புகழ வேண்டும் எடுத்து காட்டு ஆக வேண்டும் உலகம் பார்க்க உனடு பெயரை நிலவு தாலி இடட்டு வேண்டும் உலகம் பார்க்க உன்னோட பேரை நிலவத்தாலில் எழுத வேணும் சர்க்காரை தமிழல்லி தாலாத்து நாள் சொல்லி வாழ்த்துகிறோம் பிறந்து நாள் வாழ்த்துகிறோம் பிறந்து நாள் வாழ்த்துகிறோம் இனிய பிறந்து வாழ்த்துகிறோம் லாலு 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 லல லாலு 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 லால லால லாலா லல லாலு 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 ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே ஜனனி Happy birthday, Janani Didi. This is a gift from all three of us. This is a dish. Enjoy it.
Especially dressed for it. She's worn a pavada and similar kind of dress. So here we are having one special guest who is liking to wish Janani Didi. So let's see who is he.
Birthday Janani Didi. Enjoy with your family and friends. I know you will get so many gifts, but then also I will pray to God for more than. Yes, happy birthday.
Very good. Now Shloka, what is the program next?
We all will sing a song.
Okay.
Yeah, we all will sing a song.
जन्मदिनमिदं हैप्रिये सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुतं प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी ईश्वरः सदा त्वां च रक्षतु।
Neeti Bagni, unmute yourself.
पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्।
जन्मदिनमिदम् अयि प्रिया सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम्।
प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी ईश्वर सदा त्वां च रक्षतु।
पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्।
प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी ईश्वर सदा त्वां च रक्षतु। पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्। जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्। जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्। जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्। फलं सतां भवतु सार्थकम्।
जन्मदिनस्य शुभाशया जननी भगिनी।
Happy birthday,
Happy
Janani.
birthday,
Happy
Janani.
birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Janani.
Happy birthday Janishri. Wish you a very happy
birthday.
birthday
जन्मदिवस
Janishri.
शुभाशयाः जननी भगिनी.
Wish you many happy
Love
returns
you.
of the day.
Happy birthday.
वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप
Many
शुभेच्छा.
more happy returns of the day.
Happy
God
birthday,
bless you.
Janani. Happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
God bless you, Bhagini, with lots of abundance.
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं जननी श्री।
जननी भगिनी आप जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000।
Very happy birthday, Janani Shri.
Many more happy birthday, Janani Shri.
தமிழ்லயே உன்னை வாழ்த்துறேம்மா. நன்னா இரு, நீண்ட நாள் வாழ்க, இப்படியே
பல்லாண்டு காலம் வாழ்க. பல்லாண்டு காலம் வாழ்க.
பல்லாண்டு காலம் வாழ்க.
God
bless you, Janani ma'am.
Yes, all the blessings, all the blessings.
Okay, all of you mute. Om Santva Sinchami Yajusha Prajamayurdhanam Cha Rochano Rochamana Shobhana Shobhamana Kalyanaha Shatamanam Bhavati Shatayu Purusha Chatendriya Ayushyevendriye Pratitishthati Shatamanam Bhavati Shatayu Purusha Chatendriya Ayushyevendriye Pratitishthati. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Where do you stay?
God bless you, Janani. Janani Shri.
Happy birthday, Janani Didi. Hope you like the presentation. It was not too good, but it was good.
Oh my God! It was too good. It was too good.
Nice work, Bhakti. Very nice work.
Not
Wonderful.
only my work, the whole
Yes.
credit goes to Varsha, Shloka, and Nupur ma'am.
Yes.
Nothing behind is there.
And you, those three proved that they can prepare better than Janani Shri.
Where do you stay?
Sorry?
Pune.
Where do you stay?
Pune.
Actually, my grandparents and parents only will arrange these type of surprises, but this time Vasudeva Kudumam. Wow, it was super. It
was amazing. The video which was there, I can't speak at all. I was just smiling and I can't express it. Thank you all. And Varsha, Shloka, actually, learn Jai Parameshwaran Bhagini, Nupur Bhagini, everyone sang the song. Uma Patil Bhagini.
Thank you.
With blessings, so many blessings. I'm not worth for it.
No.
You deserve the best, Bhagini. You deserve the best.
You deserve much
Not
more.
at all. We are fortunate to bless you. We are fortunate to be a part of your family. You all made, na?
No words to
Kamakshi ma'am and Janani.
God bless you, Gana.
कामाक्षी मैम एंड जननी मैम आप डिजर्व करते हो उतना सब इसके
Yes. And you have let us to be one part of Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam. So we don't feel we are away or different.
We are
from you
different or
people.
separate. We are all together.
Yes, we are all
Blessing.
together.
Yes. Like
And
a
we
family.
feel that it is, I should say it is my granddaughter's birthday.
Yeah.
She's copying me.
No, not copying. You told first, I'm following you.
Don't worry ma'am, many grandmas are for her, so all
Yes.
the grandmas
Yeah,
are there.
correct. Many
Very
grandmas.
family. Very big family now for Janani.
We don't feel that we are grandmas. We feel that we are very young, younger than Janani.
Yes.
And we feel this is our family function and waiting for 25th
Yes.
November.
Yes.
Every day.
We agree.
Yes.
We're very excited for this. Yes.
This
We
is
were all
I
excited when
must
this
thank
event will
Nupur
come.
and other children who did all this a secretive job for the past 15-20 days. And like the squirrel who helped Rama, we were all like a small squirrel who helped them.
But I didn't expect this level of surprise.
No. See,
Janani
we
ma'am,
were all
come this
far
side.
off. We were all
Janani ma'am, come closer. Correct.
Happy birthday, Janani Bhagini. Okay.
Happy birthday, Janani Bhagini.
Very nice. Very nice birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday once again.
God bless.
Bless you.
God bless
Ma'am, you please
All
don't
our
cry,
blessings.
ma'am. Kamakshi ma'am. Please don't cry.
Happy birthday.
Be happy always. So happy.
Those are tears of happiness. Happiness.
Yes. Kamakshi ma'am, this is your first Amma on a day. I used to wish all
Yes.
the mothers Amma on a day.
Okay, so now Varsha is announcing the winner.
Yes.
And wait a minute. Then first game, 10 names of Janani Didi. First is Bhagini, then Jaisri Bhagini, then Niti Gupta Bhagini. Then second game, 10 names of Ganpati. Then first is Mokshada Bhagini, second is Umarama Rao Bhagini, and third is Jaisri Bhagini. First is Mokshada Bhagini, second is Usha Bhagini, and third is Jaisri Parameshwaran Bhagini. Third game, 10 names of Krishna. First is Harshaprada, second is Sitaraman Mohote, and third is Jaisri Parameshwaran Bhagini.
I want to thank thank you all the devotees, and you made the day very nice, and everybody is wearing red. I did not expect that everybody will listen to my stupid thing. I'm really overwhelmed about all this. You have cooperated with me. Thank you so much. And now
Thank you so much, Nupur Bhagini. Nupur Bhagini, hip hip hooray, hats off to you. Very nice arrangements. You have trained the kids so well, compiled everything. Great, Bhagini. You did up everything very nicely today for us. So nice. Even from a distance, no, we are able to enjoy and experience what Janani is experiencing. The happiness that Janani and Kamakshi ma'am are experiencing, we are able to experience. Thank you so much, Nupur Bagini. Thank you.
You have done a great job.
Yes,
Really
Nupur
very
To
good.
the
Bagini,
team also. To the
correctly
team,
said,
Varsha.
enjoying like that only, as if we are there.
Yeah. So very good shloka, Varsha, Bhakti. Okay, very good. Very nice.
Everyone.
And also
Thanks
to
a
the
lot.
people in Pune, Sri Vijaya Bagini, then Sujata Latkar Bagini, Muktai Jadhav, then our Radha Balasubramaniam Bagini, and one more Bagini, I think it is Sahana Bagini. Yeah. Okay, Ujjwala Bagini. Thank you so much. Sujata Latkar Bagini, I saw her. Yeah. So nice. Thank you.
Nupur Bagni is saying something. Your voice is so totally.
Ma'am, you are muted, I think.
Yeah, you are muted. You are
Mukta is there. Mukta is with us. She is also a part of all this. And she is also enjoying. And she has done very well. And she has done very well. Super. And we have a cake cutting. It's a theme-based cake. All of you able to see. This is a small restaurant with a book, Bhagavad Gita book. Little more.
Beautiful cake with Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna, the pot of butter, everything. So nice. Very beautiful cake. Very nice.
So we do the cake cutting now. Before that, I like to thank everyone. I don't have any words. My koti namaskarams to all of you.
No.
And blessing to all the kids. Very thank you very much. One more thing, Bhakti. I have sent you. Can you play? I have sent you one video. Can you play that? I will. One more.
Yeah. May Janani receives all the Akshay success in her life. We wish all her the best for her future.
This is the best. So, I'm playing the video, huh?
Yeah, play the video, Bhakti. You're at mute.
Photo. Okay. Okay. This is surprise for everyone. Only Radha Bagini and I know this. So we did not inform Nupur Bagini also. We did not inform anyone. So this is in one Anarashram in my village, actually, near my village. So we have our uncle who done that. So we just celebrated her birthday in her name. So yeah.
Today so many surprises are done for Janani Didi and all.
That was really nice, ma'am. Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's very nice.
Program was delayed. It was delayed because of this also. So finally, she gave a surprise to Nupur Bagini also because Happy birthday to you.
birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you, Janani. Happy birthday to you. God bless you, dear.
birthday to you.
Happy
May God bless you.
God bless you, dear Janani.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Janani ma'am.
Happy birthday Janani Didi.
Happy birthday, Janani.
Happy birthday Janani.
दिवसाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा.
பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் ஜனனி பகினி.
जन्मदिवसाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा.
जन्मदिन की हार्दिक बधाइयाँ.
Happy birthday to Janani ma'am.
श्री
இனிய பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் ஜனனிமா.
பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் ஜனனி பகினி.
To everyone, this is the gift. I hope you can see.
Yeah, very good, very good.
Very nice. See, we can see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Handle. Very nice.
Very nice.
Let her father also give.
You also come. Yes, you also come. All the best. Wish you all There is no food beginning. I'm here. On behalf of all of you.
Can we see what is that?
It is, should we tell? No. Don't tell. Let it just. No, I am not supposed to.
No, Janani ma'am, you deserve it. Janani ma'am deserves it.
Yes.
Janani ma'am deserves it.
Blessings. That is all our blessings.
All our blessings.
All our blessings.
Yeah.
Great future.
Yeah, Janani Shri, then you decide. It's our blessings, okay? So you
All
decide
our
what you want to
blessings
do
are
with
there.
it.
With all blessings.
ये छोटी सी गुरु दक्षिणा है जननी मैम.
It's not Guru Dakshina.
Blessings.
Guru Dakshina.
गुरु दक्षिणा ही है.
No, it is blessings.
Blessings.
only.
Yes, our
Blessings.
all our
Blessings.
wholehearted blessings.
blessings.
It shows our love to Janani Shri, na?
Bhagini. Love and blessings.
Yeah, love and blessings.
मैम
Happy
आपको
birthday
पसंद है?
जननी मैम. నేను చెప్పులు ఇక్కడ పెట్టి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నా.
Radha madam, 1 minute.
ఇంకా అవుతున్నది ఎప్పుడు? 3-4 మొదలు పెట్టారు.
వధూరిమాగం సమేత పశ్యత సౌభాగ్యమస్వై దత్వా యథాస్తం విపరేతనా ఇమాం త్వమేంద్రమీడ్వస్సు పుత్రాగం శుభగాం శృణు దశాస్యాం పుత్ర पुत्रा देहि पतिमेकादशं कृधि शतमानं भवति शतायुः पुरुष शतेन्द्रिय आयुष्येवेन्द्रिये प्रतिष्ठति. God bless you, madam.
Yes.
Our madam, God bless you.
Kamakshi ma'am. Very good, very good. God bless you. Remove her drishti today. Remove her drishti.
So many people advised me that she cannot survive in this society. If you bring her up like this, she cannot survive in this society. So many people advised me like that. Now I can show them this video.
Yes.
Yes, definitely. It will be an inspiration for other parents also.
Great,
How
great,
to
madam.
raise kids.
You have
So
brought her up in
beautifully
a
like
very
Janani
good
Bhagini.
manner, very nice manner. You have brought.
Kamakshi, Kamakshi, can you hear me?
Yes, Papa.
Yes, I think it is not enough to have only one birthday per year. We have 2 birthdays, I think. And we may mark this 25th of November as Janani's Day. It's like Parents' Day, Teachers' Day, everything. We may mark this as Janani's Day, I think.
Oh,
Everybody is taking so much of very excellent part played by them.
Stand on
I say, wonderful
course,
thing.
yeah.
What a kudumbam, what a very big kudumbam is this. Huh? Good, good. God bless you.
ప్లస్ ఇంకోటి లోపలికి వెళ్ళట్లేదు చూసావా?
They worked for at least a month for this.
వస్తాడా రాడా ఇటువైపు?
Everybody is there. See, it's not a single person's work. It's a teamwork. Everybody took part in this. What an excellent job it is. So marvelous. Super. Hats off to everybody. Huh? Thank you, thank you.
This is Vasudeva Kudumbam na.
Yes.
Our Kudumbam.
It's a very, very, very big kudumbam. The biggest kudumbam. I think.
எல்லாம் உங்களோட ஆசீர்வாதம், எல்லாம் உங்களோட ஆசீர்வாதம், பெரிய ஆசீர்வாதம்.
எல்லாருக்கும் இங்க பாரு பை சொல்லிடு, எல்லாருக்கும் பை சொல்லிடலாம், ஆஃப் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகே, பை சொல்லிடலாம். ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே ஜனனி. பை 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 பை.
Yes.
This cute child, kutti child.
குட்டி என்ற பரோனே, குட்டி குட்டி சொக்கு.
Thank you so much. And we enjoyed a lot. We just had really good fun today. And we just love her so much. We will have one bite extra on all of all the credits goes to Nupurji. Nupurji. Nupurji is the winner.
Cheers for Nupurji.
With Janani.
Great, very nice.
Enjoy the cake now.
All of you enjoy the cake now.
Enjoy it on our behalf also.
Think about us. Think about us, okay?
Yeah.
Bye everybody. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Have a nice year, Janani.
Nice day, Janani.
Enjoy everybody.
Hey, Janani Didi.
A good time. Very
Once
nice.
again, happy birthday, Janani.
Yeah. Enjoy it thoroughly.
Nupurji, enjoy karo, enjoy. Nupurji, enjoy.
Happy birthday and enjoy. Very happy
Really
to
enjoy
have
your
seen
day.
all this
All the
like
very
this.
best for all your future endeavors. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day.
Nupurji,
God
ma'am को
bless
लेके
you.
आओ मुंबई.
Shri Krishna bless you.
Janani Shri. Once again, very happy birthday.
जननी मैम, नुपुरजी के साथ मुंबई आ जाओ. नुपुरजी लेके आना, मैम को लेके आओ.
जलगांव को भी, नुपुर मैम जलगांव को भी. कामाक्षी मैम also are invited.
आप दोनों को इनवाइटेड है, आप दोनों भी आ जाओ.
बिल्कुल. जननी बेटा खूब खूब आशीर्वाद.
Thank you so much. धन्यवाद.
Okay, bye.
That's what, as usual, we'll not leave until Kamakshi ma'am
Until
ends the
you
meeting.
end the meeting.
We'll all stay.
I know end the meeting. We will keep on watching. We will keep on watching.
Yeah, our usual practice. We'll all stay.
एक्चुअली ये
जननी
बर्थडे
मैम।
ऑनलाइन लगा नहीं ना, ऑनलाइन ऐसे लगा नहीं, हम लोग लाइव उधर
switch off, then only we will switch off. Otherwise, we will
Yeah,
continue like this.
We don't feel like
enjoy,
leaving.
enjoy the cake and you tell us tomorrow how it was. At least.
हम लोग वही है, ऐसे लगा पूना में ही है, हम लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, ऐसे ही लगा हम लोगों को, ऐसे नहीं लगा कि हम
Yes,
लोग
yes.
बिल्कुल ठीक था.
Give Janani ma'am one piece on behalf of all of us here. Give her cake one piece on behalf of all of us. Very good.
Thank you once again. Thank you so much.
Bye bye. God bless
Thank
you.
you so much. God bless you. Enjoy the day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Janani
God
ma'am.
bless
Ram,
Kamakshi
Ram.
ma'am.
Come enjoy your day.
Pularmilamaha.
Enjoy.
Bye.
God bless you, Janani
Enjoy
ma'am.
the day,
God
Bhagini.
bless you.
धन्यवादः
Chandran one piece doing enjoy the day.
Thanks to the entire
Dhanyavadah. God bless you.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.